On a scorching summer day, deep within the heart of a thick forest, a sly fox wandered under the blazing sun. His tongue was dry, and each step felt heavier than the last. He hadn't had a drop of water all day. His clever mind, usually full of tricks, was now desperate for relief. As he moved slowly through the forest, his sharp eyes spotted an old stone well hidden behind some bushes. Curious and thirsty, he peeked inside, and there it was. A small pool of cool, sparkling water lay at the bottom. "Ah, just what I needed," the fox whispered with delight. Without a second thought, he leapt into the well. The water felt refreshing as he drank to his heart's content. But once his thirst was quenched, he looked up and his heart skipped a beat. The well was too deep. He was trapped. He clawed the walls, jumped again and again, but the slippery stones gave him no support. Panic started to creep in. Just then, luck knocked on his door. A thirsty goat was passing nearby. He heard a noise coming from the well and cautiously peered in. His eyes widened. "Mr. Fox, what are you doing down there?" The fox's face instantly lit up with a fake smile. "Oh, my dear friend," he said in a cheerful voice, hiding his fear. "You won't believe it. I found a secret treasure, a hidden pool of the purest, coldest water in the whole forest. I came down here to drink, and it's simply magical. You must try it." The goat, without a moment's pause, believed the fox. After all, the fox sounded so honest, so friendly. "I must taste it too," he exclaimed, and jumped in. The water was indeed refreshing, and the goat began drinking happily. But soon, reality hit him. He looked up and said, "Wait, how do we get out?" The fox's smile returned, this time sly and sharp. "We?" he said, laughing softly. "I know how to get out." And before the goat could respond, the fox stepped on his back, climbed onto his horns, leaped high, and landed safely outside the well. "Hey, wait, what about me?" cried the goat in panic. The fox turned back, his eyes cold and cunning. "Let this be your lesson, my friend. Not every sweet word hides a kind heart. Trust blindly, and you'll fall deeply just like you did today." And with that, the fox vanished into the trees, leaving the goat trapped and full of regret. Moral: never trust someone blindly, especially those who are known for their clever words and hidden tricks. Always think before you leap.